Now we are going to configure switch. So I'm going to use here an router. So I'm going to use one router and then two switches. As we can see, I'm going to drag from here two switches, switch 0 and switch 1, and there will be four end devices. Two devices will be attached to the switch 0, and two devices will be attached to the switch 1. So I'm going to connect this router, switch and end devices through by clicking on here connections, and I'm going to select copper straight through and then select fast ethernet 0 and then 0 by 1. So yeah, then next as the same fast ethernet 0 and then select 0 by 2, connect to any port. It does not restrict our packet, connect to the any open port. Okay, so from fast ethernet 0 by 3 to here I'm going to gigabyte 0 by 0, and I'm going to select from 0 by gigabyte 0 by 1 to and fast ethernet 0 by 1. Then I'm going to make connection from pc to from ethernet 0 to 0 by 2, and then next from pc 0 fast ethernet 0 to and fast ethernet 0 by 3. So this made connection, and as we can see switches are turned up and the router is turned off. So here we can see the green indicators and here we can see the red indicators. So first of all we are going to configure this router by clicking on the router and then click on config. So this there are two interfaces, as we can see gigabyte 0 by 1 and gigabyte 0 by 1 and 0 by 0, right? So I'm going to enter here 0 by 0. So I'm going to enter the ip address of the router. So as if I open a notepad, so here I will explain you with neat. This will be the network address for this router, this side of router, and this will be the network address for this side of router. Okay, so this will be the router ip address. Then this will be the pc0 ip address, and we will enter pc1 ip address will be 1.3. Okay, so here also pc04 will be 172.168.1.3 will be the pc4 ip address. So I'm going to attach this ip address as an router ip address. So I'm going to copy from here and enter the ip address here. Okay, so subnet mask will be here by default. Then here check in on the box of this on, and as we can see it will be turned up. So close this and open again open router. So enter into the gigabyte 0 by 1 ethernet and then paste 172.168.1, and the ip address of the router for the second one will be this. I'm going to copy here and then paste it. So okay, next we have assigned the ip address for the router and we are going to check in here. Okay, the router has been started. So we have to configure these pcs by clicking here on the pc and then enter into the desktop ip configuration. So here the router here the ip address for this pc will be 1.2. So 192.168.1.2 will be the IP address and subnet mask will be this. The default gateway will be the router IP address 1.1. So we can see here, yeah, and click on this PC, then enter into the desktop IP configuration 192.168.1.3. I think IP address for this PC, yeah, 1.3. So the next the default gateway will be 192.168.1.1 exactly. So and then close here and click on this pc, enter into the desktop ip configuration. If you are not understanding, then watch the video slowly. So this is the basic one which you need to learn to enter into the networking field and then come enter into the ethical hacking and penetration testing field. So pc2 ip address will be 172.168.1.2 will be the ip address of the pc. So I'm going to paste here, and the subnet mask will be this, and the default gateway will be the IP address, and the default. So the default gateway will be the IP address of the router. So I'm going to enter 172.168.1.1. Okay, then close it. Then click on this PC. click on this PC. Okay, so enter into the desktop IP configuration, and 172.168.1.3 will be the IP address, and then close here. 172.168.1.1 will be the router IP address, as the default gateway will be the router IP address. Then so now I'm going to ping from PC0 to PC3. Let me see whether it is transmitting the packet of IMCP or not. Ping 172.168.1.3. Okay, then as now we can see here the packet is loading up, and now we can see that here I am again executed the command, and now we can see the 0% loss. So this leads that our connection made successfully. I'm going to send this packet from here to here. So now here we can see the successful status will be the successful. So to watch a simulation, click here and press the play button here, so you can watch here. The packet will be transmitted to the switch, and then it will transmit to the router. So switch is an intelligent device, so it will not pass the packet to the PC1, as we can observe here. So the packet is transmitted to the switch 1, and it will transmit it to the PC3. Then the message will be copied into the packet, and then it will send back to the switch now. And it will the packet will be sent back to the router from switch 1, and then router will send back to the switch 0, and then switch 0 will send back the packet to the PC0. The PC0 will integrate the message as the router and switch are maintaining integrity or not. So as we can see, it was successfully maintaining the integrity. So this is what the configuration of switch.